Hey there, it's Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And so many of my clients, they ask me, how do I stay happy and out of fear when the coronavirus is lurking? What is stealing your joy? Hey, you know, the flu hysteria, it has now transformed into coronavirus hysteria. And many of you have asked me how worried you should really be. You know, I know you're wondering, how can you stay calm and really love your life with all the crazy things that are lurking in the world? Well, I've got a simple solution for that. So stay with me, okay? I believe we need to make every single day magical. We need to get out of panic, get out of fear, and really bring our fears to love. Love. Think about that. I want you to think for a moment. What is it like to be in fear? Feel that? What is it like to be in love? Isn't the love feeling a lot better? Yeah. The truth is, you might die tomorrow, not necessarily from the coronavirus. You could get hit by a bus or contract a life-threatening disease, not the coronavirus, or many other things. They can kill you. So stay present, stay in the moment. I believe we need to stop panicking, breathe, and make this moment magical. Really make this moment right now in the present magical. You're alive. Be thankful. Instead of getting anxious, let's look at a few facts and a few tools to make the present moment fantastic. You ready? Okay. You're with me now. I love it. If you're thinking, this is a pie in the sky, okay, Kathryn, I'm not burying my head in the sand with this. I'm not burying my head in the ground with your strategy. Consider this. If you're going to die, consider this. Don't you want to feel fantastic before you go? Before you perish? Yeah, I know I do. I want compressed morbidity. I want to feel fantastic 2 days before I die, maybe get a little sick, and then die. So don't put on your face mask and rush to your doctor's office to get tested at the first sign of fever or cough. Hey, that's no fun. And there's currently no specific antiviral medications that are going to help you treat COVID-19, the coronavirus. You know, the common cold or the flu virus, there is no antiviral formula for any of those. So running to the doctor probably won't do you any good. And there aren't many test kits around. Besides face masks, they're currently not recommended for the general public. Most of you don't know this. They're only recommended if you have a cough or something you can transmit, or you're taking care of someone who is sick with the coronavirus, the COVID-19. You know, most masks, they won't properly fit, and they create a really bad seal over your mouth. Plus, they get all kinds of bacteria inside of them, and so you're getting more bacteria harboring right here around your face. I prioritize the positive before my challenges. So let's explore my top solutions to build your immunity, reduce your chances of contracting any of the diseases, any viruses, and really love your life in the process. Sound good? Yeah. I'm all about loving yourself, loving your life. My suggestion is keep your immune system as strong as possible. And that includes your emotions. Most of us think our immune system is only about antiviral supplements. So here goes. First suggestion, stop worrying. Worry is really one of the biggest contributors to inflammation. It's proven, okay? And inflammation is what makes us sick. It creates disease. So stop worrying. This is kind of funny, but I'm an acupressurist. One way you can stop worrying, your fingers have emotions. The emotion in your thumb, it's worry. So hold your thumb and breathe. And then notice, breathe for about a minute. Your worry will decrease, I guarantee it. And it'll help. Think, this is why we suck our thumbs when we're kids, right? I want you to love yourself more. Consider how you want to feel. Think about it. Do you want to be happy or do you want to feel crappy? Breathe those feelings into your body and bring yourself into a high vibrational frequency. Next suggestion is very practical, okay? Not pie in the sky. Take fish oil, omega-3 essential fatty acids. They have a host of immune benefits that's really too long to list, and I've given you a link for that. You can also try probiotics. Probiotics, they are the why fermented foods, pack such a punch, and they help you replace bad bacteria, the bad bacteria in your gut, with good microflora. I love Mary's, and it's unflavored, it tastes like water, and I've given you a link for it. It's really easy to absorb. And I have so many more tips and tools for you. Click on over to my website and download my 22 tips to kick the coronavirus to the curb. Just click on over and put in your email address, download these tips, reach out to me, let me know how they work for you. Stop panicking and love yourself. I'm Kathryn Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach, and I help you to harmonize your hormones, increase your energy, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. I love you. Go out and love yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.